Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 449 equals some grid partition 1. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. This is part 1 of a 2-part problem, but we'll go with this one by itself in isolation in an easy way, right? And I am just trying to bring up the drawing things so I can illustrate this easier. Without loss of generality, we'll so that we're going to do just rows because you can just flip the matrix a little bit by transposing it, right? So now you have this matrix, right? You have some numbers, right? And then they sum to certain things, right? And here you're trying to find a dividing, in this case, horizontal line where the sum is, this sum is equal to this sum. Well, so there may be ways to do it, but the way that I did it is that, okay, well, you can get the top sum by just cumulative prefix sum, right? That means that this is one row. Then after that, you add it to 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, dot, right? And then now you can also get the total of the entire thing just by one pass, summing everything. And once you do that, then now it's equal if this first the top half is equal to the bottom half if the top half times 2 is equal to the total array, and that's it. I think this visualization hopefully helps, but yeah. And then we'll just go over the code, which is basically that idea. I mean, I did it also with columns, but the idea is the same. Actually, I even did a prefix sum. I aggregated the rows together. You don't even need to do that. It just makes things. I don't know. That's the way I laid it out. But yeah, you just have a count. This is the sum of the top half, right? And we add stuff within top half. If the top half is equal to the bottom half, we return true. Otherwise, we just keep going. And then we do the same thing for columns for left and right half. And that's it. This is going to be O of n, right? Or O of r times c, which is n, because that's the size of the input. So it's going to be O of r times c because, well, we look at every cell once here. We don't even look at every cell here, actually. But I don't know. Yeah. But you could have done it in one pass as well. So, yeah. That's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Linear time, sublinear space actually, right? Because this is not even linear. So yeah, square root space if you want to call it that. Maybe, I don't know, because it's not always a square matrix, right? So anyway, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And yeah, you can watch me solve it live during the contest now. Silly mistakes. Yep. All right. Q2. I have to apply this layout every time apparently. Let's do it to the other ones. I think it was because I was recording the explanation video, and I think that view is a little bit better. But in any case, okay. You're given a grid, make one horizontal or one vertical such that the two. Okay, of course, so it's not empty. The sum of the okay. 10 to the 5th is okay, so at most 10 to the 5th. Okay, so we want some I mean, that's fine, right? It's just yeah, okay. We just do 2 scan lines and then that's it, right? So then now we just do it for yeah, so rows is equal to right? So for I in range of R, for J in range of C, and then now rows sub, or maybe we have 0 times R, right? So rows sub I, grid sub IJ, rows of 1 cos, let's just say, right? Cos sub J, IJ, right? And then now we just go, okay, well, total is equal to sum of rows. If okay, no zeros, that means that we can just do it that way, right? So prefix sum, right? If count equal to total minus count, then return true. And same for total is equal to sum of cos. The reason why I don't worry about off by 1 is because it could be, if it's 0, then it would just not be true, right? So a true false looks okay. Give a quick submit. Okay. Alright, so we have 2 hard problems. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, these problems, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.